Hi everybody and welcome back. Now we've just learned how to check for equality of two items. But what about when we want to check if two values are not equal to each other? To do this we can combine an exclamation mark and an equal sign. As it does in many programming languages, the exclamation mark represents not. Let's look at an example. So in idle, let's go new file. Let's just make that large. And let's save this as birthday. There we go, saved. Okay, so my underscore birthday equals November. If my birthday is not equal to March, then print it's not your birthday. And let me just correct that. That should be a double quote instead of a single. Yeah. And let's run this. So we just save it. Oh, what's this error now? Let's just correct this. I must have left out the quote, and let's run it again. It's not your birthday. And that's because the value assigned to my birthday is November, and we have given it March. We're checking if it's March. Okay, so I hope that helps, and that's how you check for, I suppose, inequality. How to check if two items are not equal to each other. I'll see you in the next lecture when we'll be looking at numerical comparisons. Thank you.